put your records on. Tell me your favorite song. So, by the time of this video, you already know what's going on. I'm actually like, I want to play my reaction to finding out.
Jennifer crying so much.
No, it's happy. I'm actually so happy. Oh my god.
Gotta get some pictures of this.
Shut up.
Yes.
We're going to Euro Disney.
I just found out today, and I like the language I'm learning in high school is French. Like, I have been a Paris stan my entire life. I watched Miraculous, like all the seasons, the movie. I've watched Fancy Nancy. I watched the whole show. I read the books. I went to plays for Fancy Nancy. My first ever room, Paris themed, that I remember. Like when I was like 3, I think. My second ever room, well, that I remember. So probably like my third room that I remember, because we moved a lot. But like Paris themed. The only room that I've ever lived in that has not been Paris themed that I remember is this room right here. I'm going to Paris. Like, I don't think you understand. Like, you don't probably understand how much it's like. I literally, you just saw my reaction, so maybe you do. Like, I was literally sobbing on the floor. Actually, like, so grateful. Joy that filled me. Like, my heart is happy. I look so grateful. Like, I know my dad's probably gonna watch this, so thanks dad, thanks mom. Like, I'm literally so happy. So we're gonna be there for 3 days. Well, because we leave on Friday night, we get there Saturday morning, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and we leave on Tuesday. This is my second international trip this year. Like, I didn't think my passport was gonna get put to use that much. I went to London in May. It is July. I'm actually freaking out right now. Paris has actually been my dream since I was quite literally popped out the womb. I used to speak kind of French. Like, I knew a lot of French because I took like 3 years of French. I'm pretty sure. Mom might fact check me on that one. But I took a lot of French in elementary school, and then I didn't do any French in middle school and lost it. I can say a couple things. I did a year of Duolingo in middle school, and that was it. Like, that's the language I'm doing in high school, and I decided not to take it freshman year because I was like, I'm gonna take a college class, so it counts as 2 years. I should have taken it. My mom was like, you really never thought you were gonna go to Paris? Like, that's your dream destination? But like, I never thought. Like, it's always been like a dream. Like, it's literally a fever dream of mine. Anyway, this is the vlog. Je suis désolée, je ne parle pas français, parlez-vous anglais? You girls been doing outfits for the past like hour with my mom.
Hey guys, this is my pick for Paris day 3 or 2 or 1. It's so
Fun fact, she never actually wore this outfit. I'm gonna go up in the attic now and get my suitcase. Too scary up there.
Hey guys, welcome to Jennifer's vlog. So yeah, today we are packing her purse.
Everything I need in this bag right here, baby. So this one I felt bad for me because why does it say 10 and up? I have size 11 shoe size. That like, why can't we have 11? And these are all the shoes for 10 and up. Look at how many are for 80, bro. And then these are cute. And these aren't even my size because I'm 11. This is a 10, 10, 10. And this is a 9, but these are so adorable. So I'm gonna try them on anyway. I'm scared. And I'm also putting them in. They're not comfortable at all and I'm kind of out of place. We're gonna try on these because those are the ones I really want, but I'm scared. It doesn't fit, bro. I'm so sad. But what can I expect? Because none of them are my size. What were the signs for God's babies? I'll miss you for the rest of my life. My mom told me to go pick them back. To the store, you probably saw all those clips of me at the store. I really wanted these shoes, but they weren't in my size, and the store was closing. The shoes I'm talking about in this clip are not the white shoes from TJ Maxx. We went to
DSW, which was the shoe place you saw on the last clip, and they had these really cute black ballerina flats, and those are the shoes I'm talking about, but they were closed. And so we didn't really have time to look for them in the other size. We quickly scanned, we looked online, but they would not get in until Friday, and that's cutting it really close because we leave on Friday. So we got these at Marshall's, and they are really cute. The light is not doing it justice, so I had to like actually turn on the overhead light to get like a bright view of it. They are a 10. Also, my feet, I promise, are bipolar, because why does every single shoe fit differently? I mean, actually that kind of makes sense, but like, why can't I just be one size? Because I'm an 11. All of my shoes are 11 at this point because my feet are growing. These are a 10, and they fit my feet like a glove. So what's going on? Officially crunch time. I get my hair done tomorrow, so tomorrow's like just not a day at all, because as soon as I get home from getting my hair done, I'm going to the airport. I'm wearing a t-shirt, but I'm also wearing shorts underneath it. I have to dry my hair. But yeah, so there's just a lot of little pieces that aren't really in my control, and I also kind of trashed my room, so that's just wonderful. So, and then also my shoes came in. They should came in today, which I was very happy about, so they're right over there. So it's currently 12:30 in the morning. It's like done. It's been like 40 minutes. Clean the closet area. I just kind of put all the clothes pretty close here, but I'm like packing up stuff. We're going to the hair appointment. Okay, my hair is done. My hair, it don't move. It don't move. We got these acai bowls at Pliable while we're waiting for my mom to pick us up. Put my hair in a clip because I don't want to sweat it out already. I'm this toothpaste into this so I can bring it in my toiletry bag. While I was getting my hair done, my mom put some things on my bed. I have my Nifty spray, which is the new like EpiPen thing where I don't have to stab myself. So I'm gonna bring that with me. Water bottle, foldable, so it's like easy to put in things. Sweatband for obvious reasons, and then my Disney ears. You can't tell, it's Olaf, which Olaf is like my favorite character ever. Not ever, but like it's Elsa than Olaf for sure. Okay, guys. This kid's already done. We got at the car. Oh, we're gonna get the car. Guys. I really hate it. It goes down. Like, this is the escalator. Just gotta keep your bags from rolling. Okay, we just changed. We're going to the Palace of Versailles. What do you rate for croissant? What do you rate for your first croissant of the trip? He ended up having 5 more croissants and getting a stomach ache. What do you rate your first croissant of the trip? 6. Mom, what do you rate your first croissant of the trip? What do you rate your first croissant of the trip?
5, Sam. 8 out of 10.
Jesse, what do you rate? Oh. 9 out of 10? I rate my first croissant 8.6 out of 10.
No, that was
I'd say 9 out of 10. So you saying the other one was worse?
well, you're not.
Been here for like 5 straight hours.
I know, we're locals, but we're speaking Italian.
Girl.
Oh wait,
French.
we're speaking French.
I think I'll.
How's caramel?
Mom, what flavor did you get?
Limoncello.
And I got Nutella, which is really good. I think mine is the best, but you know.
Yeah.
Mom thinks hers is the best, but it's really tart.
It's all hot sugar.
Say you've never eaten sugar. Without saying you never eaten sugar, you get lemon ice cream.
Mom. Oh, she's too short. So this is the lock bridge, but they don't have any more locks on it because it was damaging the bridge, but it's okay. It's still cute. It's ginormous. Versailles. Whoa. Interesting. Why would you pick that up? Get hand sanitizer.
What is it? It's only like 5 o'clock and it's been a really long day and I'm ready to like chill, but we still feel like we've been tired. So we're gonna get ready to take a nap.